An update on the status of Tropical Cyclone Joyce, the third Australian named tropical cyclone of the season. It is a Category 1 system and moving slowly in a west-southwesterly direction at 7 kilometers an hour with sustained winds around its central core of 65 kilometers an hour. That's gale strength, and gusts have exceeded 90 and up to about 95 kilometers an hour. There's a tropical cyclone warning that extends from Cape Leveque down to Pardew Roadhouse, including Wallal Downs and the Broome area. This region hit by another cyclone about 3 weeks ago now, in track for another cyclone. As a Category 1, we could see gusts up to 100 kilometers an hour develop across this warning area throughout this afternoon, but it could get as high as about 130 kilometers an hour because this cyclone looks to strengthen into the next 24 hours, potentially reaching Category 3 strength. There is a high amount of model variability. On top of the fact that we'll have very gusty conditions, damaging to destructive winds that is, we're also going to see heavy rain leading to flash flooding across this area, widespread totals over 150 millimeters, and because the high tide at Broome is about 5:40 p.m. and the cyclone itself looks to be fairly close to Broome at them, we could see abnormally high tides and coastal inundation in that region as well, so we'll keep an eye on that. The watch area has been extended to now include the Dampier-Karratha region and also extended further south in the Pilbara region, but you can see that warning area has unchanged since the last issue. Here's the forecast on screen. Tropical cyclone continuing to move in a southerly direction, bringing heavy rain and flooding, and because it's slow-moving, heavy rain will be one of the main features. Showers and thunderstorms will bring isolated, even heavier totals of rainfall, and again, gusts this afternoon and evening could be as high as about 130 kilometers an hour. It looks to make landfall somewhere in the eastern Pilbara district, somewhere on Friday afternoon. But again, there's a high degree of model uncertainty, which is why the watch area was recently extended to include as far west as the Karratha region. If you require assistance due to storm damage, call the State Emergency Services for assistance at 132-500.